I am Chief Master Sergeant John Shirey of the 327th Airlift Squadron at Little Rock Air Force Base, Arkansas, part of the Air Force Reserve. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why enlisted heritage is important. The enlisted airman is the backbone of the U.S. Air Force. Since the early beginnings of the aviation service in the 1900s, even more dramatically so in the current global environment, enlisted airmen have been pivotal in defense of our nation. Today's Air Force mission to fly, fight, and win would not be possible without the skillful, valiant, and unselfish contributions and sacrifices of our enlisted American airmen. So what exactly is heritage? It comprises both tangible and intangible things. Some of them are obvious. The tangible things, historical sites and buildings, monuments, artifacts in museums, and documents that are preserved in archives. And perhaps more importantly, the intangible, customs, folklore, skills, and knowledge. All these things together with myths, traditions, memories, provide us with a common language and insight that enable us to communicate in a deeper level with each other and to express ourselves in a unique way to the outside world. We know some of the names from our past: Tech Sergeant Forrest Vossler, Tech Sergeant Archibald Matthews, Airman First Class John Levito. But there are other accomplishments by many unsung heroes throughout our history. The 131 enlisted crew members of the Doolittle Raiders, the enlisted weather observers of the Special Weather Warfare teams in Laos that made the air war in Vietnam possible. The enlisted air traffic controllers in 1981 who were called up and moved out to 65 FAA centers throughout the United States, keeping civilian air traffic possible when 11,000 air traffic controllers walked off their jobs. Throughout our history, enlisted members have contributed and allowed our Air Force to become the most powerful and capable Air Force in the world. What airmen do every day keep the Air Force functioning, moving forward, evolving, taking on new missions, faster, further, higher. Any crew chief will tell you before a pilot can slip the surly bonds of earth, dance on laughter silver wings, and top the windswept heights, he will rely on a highly trained and skilled enlisted maintenance team to make it possible. But why is our heritage important? Heritage helps shape our identity and becomes part of who we are. Expressing this identity shows others what we value and highlights our priorities. Our proud enlisted heritage explains why we evolved. Explaining our history and traditions enables us to develop an awareness of who we are and understand why we are the way we are and why we do what we do. Exploring and understanding our heritage will help us better understand Air Force culture, helps us connect to the values, beliefs, and customs that we all share. It allows us to identify with other airmen by providing an automatic sense of unity and belonging, and allows us to better understand previous generations of the history of where we come from. It provides a record of past and present accomplishments and a guide for future success. It gives us a starting point upon which we can build and continue to do anything, anywhere, anytime, ensuring the success of our Air Force, our military, and our nation. Thank you.